Welcome to Introduction to Java Programming. In today's episode, we'll look at the arithmetic operators. So we'll do a couple of exercises. We will try to write a certain program. So as we can see here, so add a variable for age. So age is an integer, so we know that for age we will use an integer variable. Add a variable for name, and we know that for name we will use string. Maybe some name John. Okay, and for the marks for the maths, so it would be again integer. Marks for the English. Okay, and marks for the history. The marks 88th. This is a very smart kid. And for science, yeah, so calculate the total score. So for total score we will again use an integer. How can we calculate total? So we will sum up all these number. Okay, so this is the total score, and let's print this value as well. Yeah, so total score is how much? Yeah, okay. So calculate the average score. So for average, we know that it might go in the floating point, so we'll create y. Okay, so average score is total divided by total number of subjects, so 4, so we'll divide it with 4. Okay, and let's print the value. Average score is this one. Okay, so calculate how many more scores required to achieve maximum. We can have an integer remaining score. So the total is 400. We'll subtract the total from it. So this is the score that is required to achieve the maximum. To have R, so we'll print here the remaining score or remaining marks. Okay. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, the total score is 351, average score is 87, and if number required maximum is 49, so 49 plus 351, it would be 400. So that's simple and easy enough. What if we need to print the grades? We know that we can calculate the grades based on the condition, like if the scores are greater than something, if the scores are greater than 80, if the average score is greater than 70, if the average score is greater than 60. So but we'll look at this once we are done with the if condition, and we will continue this exercise. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.